Hey guys, welcome this video. In this video, I want to show you how to use Google Slider and make your own presentation. So first of all, go Google Play Store and you also see that Google Slider, but you could not find it. You need to search. Click to the search button. I show you. Click the search button and enter here the name. Okay, the name is Google Slider. Google Google Slide, and now you find everything. So first of all, you show the rating. Okay, how much people rate this app? Almost 4.3%, and you also see some reviews. I love Google Slider. It is the high lightweighted, does not have any changing element. Okay, so there are many review are available on this. You check this Google YouTube also a Google product. Google LLC, Google Earth, Google Meet, Google Sheet, and Google My Phone, Google Meet, filed by Google, Google Drive, Google Docs, a calculator. I think this calculator made by Google. Okay, yeah, this calculator made by Google, but we no need at this time to this. Google Classroom, Google Street View, Google One, Google Dialer. There are many apps available by Google. But today's video we just need Google Slider. Okay, it's the alternative of Microsoft PowerPoint. I see you. And the app also suggesting their similar app Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint and another Microsoft 365, Office Suites, Microsoft OneDrive, blah 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 blah. So today's video we want to show you in the tutorial is Google Slider and make your own presentation, just a simple few minutes. So first of all, we need to download on it. Just click install on this bottom. Okay, I click install. It's take some time. It's depending on your internet connection. Okay, it's totally depending on your internet connection, how much your internet speed and etc. Okay, so we need to wait some time, then we'll get the output. It's not very high weighted software. It's just 0.64 MB. It's very similar, not very high. Okay, so we need to wait for download it. And the next part we want to show you Canva tutorial. It's very useful tool software for us, Canva. We need to wait some time. Canva Pro and another. Okay, it just take few moments. It's also download complete. Okay, it's completely download. Now open this software. Just click open. Okay, you want to show it. It's the fast interface in Google Slider or Slides. Many people call it different name. So the interface, the whole interface is like this type. When we need to create a new design, you can click the bottom plus icon. I show you again. When we need to create a new design, please the plus icon. You show that it's click on here. Then we find a new achieve something. Okay. So in this tutorial, we totally make a new presentation for our office work and export it and want to preview you all the people. Okay, so now this reason we create a new design, so we need to click plus icon. Okay, when we click plus icon, then we found some new thing. Choose template, new personalized, and cross icon. It's mean choose template. Google worker make some template and you can use it for your own purpose. You can edit this template and modify your own thing. Okay, the next option is new version. It's mean you made a template on your own thing, on your passion. Okay, so I click choose a template because Google also offer many template available. Okay, so there are some name you can show that lesson plan, book report, filter trip, plus, etc. Okay, so first of all we create book report, then click book report. It takes some time for loading and then automatically redirect the home page. Okay, you can show it book title. Now we need to edit it. Oh, okay, it's very big. It's around 28 to 29 page. Okay, yeah, it is around 9 page, so we need to edit it. Click double tap on this template book title. Okay, first of all, when you need to edit, you can preview it. Please, you need, if you need to review on it, just click here the video playing mode. Okay, so you can show present on this device, present a meeting. Okay, present on this device. Now you can show it. It's very easy, not very difficult. Just take some time. Book report loading. Okay, let's take some time. Okay, I cut it. Okay, so again click open by me and click double click on this template. What are you need? And what should you need to edit? So double click on there. Okay, now click book title and you can easily modify it. Okay, so I click double click on here and just click below. So I write something, just are define okay honey. Okay, then click OK button. Yeah, it's very simple. So this step you can follow, then easy way to you create a Google slider or everything. Like there are some icon, redo, undo, video play, font, adding option, messaging, and the three dot. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. So if you think need some improvement, please say me in comment section. I reply you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe this video. Thank you.